Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another trip here. Right now, we're in Kashmir, the Dal Lake. As you have seen, day 1 and day 2 of my log. This is the Himalayan Escapade, and today is Sunday, 2nd April 2023. Happens to be my birthday. So we are taking the Shikara and going to the other side of the lake. Stay tuned. So we are staying in this houseboat on the lake. This is the Club Mahindra property. That's the lake behind. And let me take you on a property tour.
I took a tour already.
Hi Jiggy.
I took a tour
And
on the
that's-
Insta already. This is our tour of our boat house. It's cold here. This is the kitchen. This is our dining hall. In one boat house there will be 3 rooms, and where one boat house is, there'll be 3 boat houses. This is our hall. This is a nice view you can see, and that's the entry and exit. Everything's very colorful here. That person, if we need anyone, they'll be here in the kitchen. So we don't need to go and call someone from somewhere else. This is one more view. Next to our room. And this is our room. This is our bathroom, but someone's in there, so you can't see. This is one more view next to the bathroom. You can see the second boat house. It's not fully in the water, but it's in the water. It's not off. It looks like it's in the water, but they just filled it with water. Means like they put it in the edge of the sea, lake. So it doesn't feel like you're actually in the water, but it is in the water. Let me show the outside. It's very cold here. In the nights it becomes -3, -2. this is the best place to stay in Mahindra. So it's cold here. This is the view. So I'm going back in because it's freezing out. Oh, close the door. Yeah. These doors are a bit hard to close.
We are en route to Pahalgam right now, and we just stopped over where they grow kesar here in Kashmir. Kashmir is famous for kesar, if you know. Check this out. Come on. On the horse exploring Pahalgam. So this is the trail we're going up Pahalgam towards the different valleys.
She's expecting something.
The horse which is taking me up.
So this is a horse ride we're doing. My horse is very shaky. Whoa, whoa. It's nice. You should come here once to do this horse riding. It's the best thing, but sometimes they might leave you, and the people who pull it might leave you, and then it might run away. So be careful. And we go at a viewpoint, and that's the back. People are coming, and this is my house. We're crossing water. We just crossed the water. It's fun.
Enjoying the horse ride. Betab Valley and Kashmir Valley, all the valleys in Pahalgam. Hope you like the drone shots. Beautiful scenes here. The weather is changing, getting cold. So we're going to head back to down in Pahalgam and head towards our resort in Srinagar. Stay tuned. So that was all the valleys we went on the bus. Day 2. Hope you like this video and all the drone shots, and also the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Stay tuned for more days of this Himalayan escapade coming up as we explore Gulmarg, Sonmarg. I'm going to go further from there. Stay tuned. And if you have any comments, do write on the comment section below. Do like the video if you do. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Well, that's it for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Goodbye.